If you are searching for the most popular Hollywood actors, follow this list of the top 10 most popular Hollywood actors in the world in 2022. Hollywood is one of the leading movie industries in the world. This is the reason Hollywood actors and actresses are exceedingly popular all across the world. Currently, there are many Hollywood actors who have popular their identity worldwide on a vast level. But do you know who are the top 10 most popular Hollywood actors in 2022? If you are hunting for the same, you are in the best place. In this video, we are going to reveal the top 10 most popular Hollywood actors. They are highest paid as well as most famous Hollywood actors as of now, 2022. Number 10. Hugh Jackman. Hugh Jackman, who is also renowned as Wolverine, is an Australian actor, producer and singer. He was born on 12 October 1968. No doubt, he is one of the most popular Hollywood actors in the current time all around the world. Hugh has achieved many awards in his career, including the Golden Globe Award for Best Actor and Academy Award. He done several movies in his career, but if you want to enjoy some recent movies, then number 1, Logan, number 2, The Greatest Showman, and number 3, Bad Education are worth watching. Number 9, Tom Cruise. Who doesn't know Tom Cruise? Yes, every Hollywood movie lover is familiar with this actor. Tom Cruise is one of the most handsome and most popular Hollywood actors of all time. He is an American actor as well as a producer who has done several excellent movies in his career. Tom has won several awards and won 3 times Golden Globe Awards for his outstanding work. Besides that, he was nominated for Academy Awards 3 times, which always shows his acting skills. Talking about his personality, he is one of the top 10 most handsome men in the world of all time. Tom is best famous for his work in the Mission Impossible film series. Besides that, he has done other great movies such as The Mummy, Risky Business, Age of Tomorrow, American Made. Number 8, Chris Hemsworth. Chris Hemsworth is another most popular Hollywood actor in the current time with a successful career. He is a famous Australian actor who was born on 11 August 1983. Everyone knows him like Thor's character. He has done many popular movies in his career like Star Trek, Thor, The Avengers, Red Dawn, Rush, and much more. Chris is a very talented actor and very successful in the Hollywood industry. He achieved several awards for his exceptional acting skills, like he won Kids' Choice Awards, Pupils' Choice Award for Avengers, Age of Ultron, and In the Heart of the Sea. Number 7, Henry Cavill. Henry Cavill is one of the worldwide popular English actors who was born on 5th May 1983. He is very popular as Superman among fans around the world, starting his acting career with the movie The Count of Monte Cristo in 2002 and then got success in his career. He has achieved many awards in his career for him throughout his career. Henry Cavill has done many popular movies like Stardust, Immortals, Man of Steel, Batman vs Superman. Recently, his movie Justice League has done well in the box office. Number 6, Chris Evans. Chris is also known as the superhero Captain America. He is the most talented and one of the most popular Hollywood actors in 2022. He was born on 13 June 1981 and started his career with the television series Opposite Sex. No doubt, Chris is an excellent actor, and if you mark his career, he has many awards like Kids' Choice Awards for Captain America, Teen Choice Award for Avengers, Age of Ultron, and Scream Awards for the best superhero in Captain America, the first Avengers. Besides his acting skills, he is also recognized as one of the sexiest men in the world of all time. You can watch his recent popular movies like Spider-Man. Number 5, Vin Diesel. Mark Sinclair is popularly known as Vin Diesel and a worldwide popular Hollywood actor who has done many popular movies in his career. This veteran Hollywood actor was born on 18 July 1967 and is very famous for his XXX series. Fast and Furious series are also some of his best movies. Initially, he struggled to get roles in the movies, and after the short film Multifacial, he came into notice of director Steven Spielberg. Steven gave him chance to star in his movie Saving Private Ryan, and after that, he never looked behind. He gained worldwide popularity from the Fast and Furious film series, and he has won many awards in his career, including the People's Choice Award. Number 4, Leonardo DiCaprio. If you are a Hollywood movie fan, then you must know Leonardo DiCaprio. He is an extraordinary American actor who has done many exceptional movies like Titanic, Inception, The Revenant, The Wolf of Wall Street, and much more. He has achieved many awards like Oscar and Golden Globe for The Revenant and also won the BAFTA Awards for the best leading actor. Leonardo DiCaprio is popular to play unconventional roles every time. From a source, his films till 2022 have earned $7.2 billion worldwide. Now he is one of the highest paid Hollywood actors in the current time. Number 3, Robert Downey Jr. 55 years old, highly experienced and most popular Hollywood actor. Robert Downey Jr. is famous for his exceptional acting skills. He is known as Iron Man among his fans. He has done many popular movies like Captain America, Civil War, The Avengers, Iron Man, Due Date, and Avengers Infinity War was his recent most successful movie. He has won many awards like the MTV Generation Award, People's Choice Award for The Avengers, and BAFTA Awards for Chaplin and and much more. And no doubt, he is recognized among the top 10 Hollywood actors in 2022. Number 2. Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp is one of the most popular actors in Hollywood of all time, who was born on 9 June 1963 in the United States. A multi-talented person, because in the Hollywood industry, people know him as an actor, producer and musician. He won the Golden Globe Award for his best acting performance. He is regarded as one of the biggest film stars in the world. Besides that, he is also recognized as one of the richest Hollywood actors. Pirates of the Caribbean, Alice in Wonderland and Edward Scissorhands are some of his best movies you can watch. Number 1. Dwayne Johnson. Dwayne Johnson, who is also known as The Rock, is an American actor as well as a wrestler who was born on 2nd May 1972. Dwayne is a talented person who is famous in both Hollywood and the wrestling field. He is at the top among all the top 10 most popular Hollywood actors in the world in 2022. He has achieved many awards for his best acting performance in the Hollywood industries, like the Kids' Choice Award for The Mysterious Iceland and many awards for Entertainer of the Year and much more. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.